What's good, everyone? I'm Joe23Dam. So today I have for you a restoration project, and this is called a sewing awl. So a sewing awl is what you're going to use to restitch your ones, your twos, your threes, fours, fives, the toe caps. And as you can see, this is the thread and the spool. This right up here is the needle. This is the nut, and then right in here you have two items. One's a wrench, and then the other one is a different gauge needle. As you can see, if you match it up, the holes are different. So what we're going to be using today is we're going to be using the bigger hole for the project. So how you change this needle here is you're going to take the wrench, you're going to go right over, and you're going to unscrew and just loosen it a little bit. Pull this out. You're going to put the new needle in and then lock it up, and then put the needle back in, put the wrench back in, and then screw this back up. Now with this guy, if you were to use a spool here and you didn't have thread, or the original thread from the shoe, you're just going to unscrew this, and you can get the thread at any fabric shop, Michael's, Joann's, and it's just a spool. I highly suggest that you guys also invest in some beeswax, because that'll help with fraying that you'll get from the thread, and you don't want that. Alright, so anyways, how this works is that there is a little tiny hole right in there. So what you're going to do, and we're not going to use it, so what you're going to do is you're going to unthread it on the spool, and you're going to feed the thread right in, and it's going to come up right through a little opening right here by the nut, and then you can feed it through the needle. But again, we're not going to be using it, so we're just going to just put it back. This is a C.A. Myers and Company, Arlington Heights, Illinois. The All for All. And I got this on eBay for about, I don't know, maybe 15 bucks. I think in the stores you can get them for like 20 to 25. So eBay is definitely the spot where you want to go. I'm not sure what the gauge is for these needles here, so usually it comes with two, but there's also a third one with a curve. But you know, just for the sake of restitching your toe cap, you just need the bigger hole and the thicker needle. So alright, so let's get started. So this right here is from a Nike Delta Force 2, and I was just playing around with the outsole here. This outsole area is had a Nike logo on it that I was attempting to use for the 94 Air Jordan 2 project that I'm still working on. The only difference is that the curve right here is a little bit too sharp. It actually go a little bit further. It's also too short, and the Nike lettering should be bigger, and it shouldn't have the registered R on there. But this is rubber. This would have been perfect, but it didn't work. And then this outsole, it looks like the Jordan 2, and it's pretty crazy. Just if you've never seen a Delta Force 2 before, so it's like a drop-in midsole. So how that works is this is the midsole. It's just like a EVA, and that drops in like that. This it's very like dense and tough. It doesn't even feel comfortable whatsoever. And then this just drops in, as you can see, and then you just re-glue it and then you stitch it up. So yeah, it's kind of a weird shoe. But anyways, just want to concentrate on the stitching here, so let's get to it. So basically what you want to do is you're going to thread the what you need. Let's see, you're just gonna thread the original threading right back into the shoe. So you just go in once and then you pull it out, and you want a little bit of length right here for the inside because we're going to be going all the way around the shoe. So here we go. So you want to be able to thread this guy, and this is where the beeswax is important because now you have fraying. So you got to put a little spit right in it to bring it back in, and then you just thread this guy in. Okay, so we're going to be working with a whole bunch of holes here, and this is just a tedious task. Alright, so you have the thread in. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right into the next hole, thread that through, pull it a little bit so that threading looks like that, and then you're going to be in the shoe, and you're going to hold the piece right here and then pull it back out. You see how I have like a little loop in there still? So now with the thread that you have, what you're going to do, and see if we can straighten this out just a little bit. What you're going to do is you're going to take that string and you're going to feed it right through the hole. Alright, you guys see what I'm doing? So you're just going to pull that, and then you're going to pull this guy just like that. See how that works? Let's try it again. Alright, so you're going to go in, alright, put the needle all the way through, pull the string on the left side, hold it, then pull this guy back out. Alright, so now that you have the hole in here, you got to take the string, feed it through, and then pull the outer string. Okay, and then you're just going to keep going all the way around the shoe. Now if you happen to pull it too much, say you pull it like this and it becomes undone, all you're really going to do is just pull the inside string and pull it back through. You see? Let's see that again. You're going to pull this out. See what happened? Now get the inside string and pull that right back in. Hopefully that was some good tips for you guys to get started with restitching the toe cap. Bid you guys good luck. And if you guys think this was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Demjo 23Dan. Take care, guys.